Hello guys, for our hot milk cake we need 200 ml of milk plus 60 gram of butter and 1 drop of vanilla extract. We put on the stove. We need to warm up our milk near to the boiling point. After or during this time we need to whisk 4 eggs, 170 gram of sugar. After we add 200 gram of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda and a little bit of lemon, only the skin. Okay, now we can put our dough in a baking pot that I have already oiled with the butter. I put the baking paper. After we put our cake in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for 30-40 minutes. See you later. After 31 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our cake is baked. Now we should wait it cool down and after we can taste it. Spectacular, very soft. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. Any question, any comments, any idea, write down in the comments. Also remember to subscribe to my Instagram accounts, Cuore di Cioccolato. You can find the link down in the comments. Bye bye.